Step one in installing your eBay bumper, have Harrison drop water on you and the camera. Oops. Alright, camera's a little wet. Oh yeah, it's like a lot wet. Bumper fitment got way better.
Yep.
Bumper to hood. The sides are still atrocious. What's up, guys? Today is an important video because we have 1 month till this hill climb that I'm going to. 1 month. We are not ready. So today, Harrison and I are gonna work on the FC2000 front bumper. Bought another Harbor Freight saw, perfect. And then turns out CX Racing has their own rotary brand called Rotary Works, and we're gonna throw this thing on there. Harrison, what's step one in fitting our eBay bumper to the shitty car?
I didn't read the directions, but I'm assuming we're gonna be cutting something off.
Cool. So when I test fitted this, we hit our front ducting. That was just when I did this on Friday, I guess. We hit that ducting, so we gotta kind of stick it on there and then mark, and then we're definitely gonna have to cut that first. That's why we have the Harbor Freight body saw. It's not plugged in.
A piece of quality machinery.
Quality automotive fabrication tools. We gotta modify the bash bar. So we're hitting this little tongue tab, hits the bumper, and we don't need that anymore, so we're just gonna cut it off. Ta-da! Man.
Weight reduction.
That was hurting us. Let's try this again. Step 3, start cutting your bumper because it doesn't fit your abnormal FC setup.
Come back in.
And you ask yourself, James, why don't you buy a real $2,000 bumper? Well, because Harrison just broke it. But 2, we're cutting holes to make it fit. I think the internet gets it enough. We should just cut deeper.
Yeah.
All right.
Just follow the line.
Let's cut deeper.
I want to cut too much. Just more than you have to.
Yeah. I'm glad we have Alfie to paint this.
Yeah.
I kind of want to keep the headlight buckets black, if that's even possible.
Should be.
And then do a nice yellow film. Like an old GT, was it 500? No. Yeah, didn't they call that shit GT 500?
What?
It's that old Japanese racing series. It still goes on today. I don't think it's called GT 500 anymore.
Super GT or?
Yeah, it's called GT. I think it's GTS 300 now. I don't know. It's something. The internet will correct me. We're getting closer with the cutting. So we've had to cut, well, Harrison's had to cut the front bits for the duct. We had to cut the top of the fog light holes, which we're not even going to use them as fog light holes, so it doesn't matter. I think we're going to stick oil coolers there. And we got to cut more out of this front bit. And that's kind of where we're at. All right, let's pull it off. Oh, I'm hooked around here. Our fitment is getting better. The bumper can now kind of stay there on its own. We have some questionable body lines, but you know, what can you expect from 300 bucks on eBay? I'll say the 300 bucks on eBay is better than what we could have made by ourselves. Imagine the internet if we tried to make an RE or an FC2000 front bumper. People would be so upset. It could cost like $10 and be super shitty, but they'd be really upset.
Just glue a bunch of 2x4s together and just shape it.
All right, we're getting there. We still got to cut some more, but we're closer. Yeah, I guess we just got to cut more on the bottom side here for the duct.
I think that's about it.
And then
This is just going to be wiggling it around, massaging it, and
yeah,
probably using body fiddler on the fender to get that to come down to where the trim was. It looks like it should be higher though, because of the marker.
I think it should. Yeah, it definitely has to be higher. So
The thing is, I don't know how that's gonna meet up. If we bring that up about there, this is now that high.
I mean, we're not perfectionists here.
Yeah.
I just want to look cool. It's gonna look pretty nice though. All right, I guess
Let's see if we can put the hood on for the pick.
I don't think we will be. I mean, we can try. I just don't think we'll be able to. All right, kids, it's on. We're done. We're just gonna leave it black. We're gonna leave the questionable body lines, and it's a track car because that's the excuse now. It's a race car, but it does look really dope with the wing, the new bumper. It's gonna look real hot with the new wheels.
That's what I was thinking.
And the new wheels will be really sick.
And then we'll need side skirts.
Yeah, I need to get some of those. Nice. Almost looks like we know what we're doing. All right, kids, it's on. We're done. We're just gonna leave it black. We're gonna leave the questionable body lines, and it's a track car because that's the excuse now. It's a race car, but it does look really dope with the wing, the new bumper. It's gonna look real hot with the new wheels.
That's what I was thinking.
And the new wheels will be really sick.
And then we'll need side skirts.
Yeah, I need to get some of those. Nice. Almost looks like we know what we're doing. All right, where are we at here?
We're pretty good on fitment, cutting wise and stuff like that. We've got to trim some of this stuff just because it's not wanting to do what we want it to do, but right now we just really need to get everything started, or we just need to start mounting everything so we can see exactly what needs to be trimmed and reshaped. So what we'll probably end up doing is mounting this, finding the center point of this and throwing a bolt through the center hole down here, getting that mounted, then getting the headlights mounted, and then work on, as we're shaping, we'll be mounting things to fit properly.
Looks really nice on camera.
Yeah.
Looks real shitty in person, but looks real good in camera. Like, look at this. Just,
Oh yeah, it's done.
yeah, it's perfect.
You can't see because it's black.
It's mint.
Shadows. All the giant gaps that just look like shadows.
I mean, you still don't really see the giant gap. Like,
Yeah, you can't tell.
you can't tell. You can't tell anything. So we have a bit of an update here. I don't know how much you guys are actually going to get to watch because Harrison's going to be doing a lot of this bumper project while I'm at work, and I'm not going to ask him to film this shit because this is already a pain in the ass and filming sucks too. So you'll get to see things when I'm here. All right, internet, it's dark. We're done for the day. But here's a little comparison of the old wing versus the new wing. It's a wee bit bigger. 10 inches to be exact. So there's that. But the good news is the fake Re Amemyia bumper has made us a real race car. This thing looks like it's ready to go to fucking Super Street to get shot in the dark. Looks mint. It looks nice with the vent.
Yeah.
And the ducting in the front. Like,
Yeah.
and the dual element in the back. Alright, we're calling it for tonight. We'll be back at this tomorrow. So, you guys will get a 2-day video.
6.5 hours later.
Welcome to another hot day in South Carolina. If I give y'all my address, can you send Harrison some shorts? He needs shorts. Look at this man, he can't afford shorts. Send my boy some shorts. We have a bumper mounted, at least on the front. This headlight bucket looks good. That one not so much. That's a problem. And over here is all a problem. So we're getting there. We have some really weird lines though. Like, we'll have to sand the bumper up here. We've got a big old gap down here. But, I mean, the rest of the body has lots of gaps, so it's not bad.
Headlights next.
Yeah, we just gotta figure out the headlight. That one looks like really good over here.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Just out of the box. This one's really nice.
The other one is cockeyed.
Yeah. This one we're just gonna have to trim, like down here it's close.
Yeah.
Over here it's close.
We just need to shape it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Put a primer. Put it
But yeah, this one is all
across.
kind of fucky.
Yeah.
Still hot. Harrison's still wearing pants. We got a headlight bucket mounted. So, look at this nice line from eBay. Would you just look at? Ignore that. That's kind of dented. We're gonna call that dented. But no, look. Nice little bucket. We use some, I don't know, steel little spacer johnnies back there. Let's put the hood on.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Tight. Very tight. We gotta shave that down for the hood to fit, but that's half of the headlight buckets. Pretty rad. Now we got this fucked up contraption over here. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Perfect.
Guess we'll get that one done and then see if we can jam this thing up. I don't really know. That was more of a question instead of a statement. Okay.
This one needs to come up. Yeah.
Fitment's not bad. Bumper fitment got way better.
Yeah.
Bumper to hood. The sides are still atrocious. This car is way too low to the ground.
What makes you say that?
Well, the fact the bumper's touching the ground, but
Is it?
on the back end it is. This paint's coming off now that I cracked that. Good job. Good job doing that, bud.
I think I was already pretty much off in that corner.
So, yeah, we're gonna have to shave those a lot.
Finish that spacer.
All right, this is our stopping point for the time. We're pretty good. We have good bucket fitment. We went around and kind of drew Sharpie on all the corners. We had shave here, shave there, shave there, shave there. Shave here, shave there, shave there, shave there. But overall, the gap is fairly nice here, I think. What do you think so far, Harrison?
I think it's getting better and better as we keep mounting stuff.
Yeah, it doesn't look as fucked as it did yesterday.
Yeah.
It looked real bad yesterday. Well, we're gonna clean up, and it's gonna be it for this little video probably, because Harrison's getting a tattoo in Asheville on this weekend, and I'll deal with the rest of the car this weekend. and play some golf. So that's kind of the plan. But yeah, we'll clean up and get some pictures and we'll call this. So see y'all next time. Bye kids. Send him shorts. We need shorts for Harrison.